Hello and welcome to I Know Gadgets. In today's video, we'll be sharing the top 5 mobility scooters of 2023 that are perfect for enhancing mobility and independence. Whether you're looking for a reliable scooter for everyday use or one that offers advanced features, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and discover the best options available this year. Number 5. iLiving i3 Foldable Electric Scooter. This ultra-lightweight scooter, weighing just 53 pounds, is made from durable aircraft-grade aluminum and comes with rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. With an extended battery life of up to 14 miles on a single charge, you can stay active without worrying about running out of power. Plus, the scooter's easy portability is a standout feature. It features a patented 3-step fold and unfold system, making it incredibly convenient for travel. Whether you're going on a road trip or flying, the iLiving i3 is airplane-friendly. Safety is a top priority, and this scooter ensures stability with its 4 wheels, minimizing the risk of tip-overs and potential injuries. So if you're looking for a reliable, portable, and travel-friendly mobility solution, look no further than the iLiving i3 Foldable Electric Scooter. Number 4. G3 Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter. Discover the G3 Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter, your perfect travel companion. With a lightweight and collapsible design, this scooter can be easily disassembled into 5 pieces for effortless transportation. Equipped with 2 detachable 48V lithium-ion batteries, you can enjoy a long-range travel experience. Maneuver with ease thanks to its 3-wheel design and sharp turning radius. Safety features include a fast-acting drum brake system and adjustable seat height. Please note, this scooter is not intended for medical purposes and should be used on flat, paved surfaces. Upgrade your mobility today with the G3 Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter. Number 3. SuperHandy 3-Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter. Equipped with a powerful 48V brushless motor, this scooter offers a maximum range of 5.5 miles and can support weights up to 330 kg. Its portable design features 5 lightweight pieces for easy transportation and storage, along with a detachable 48V battery for convenient swaps. With a sharp turning radius, maneuverability in tight spaces is a breeze. Enjoy an extended range with 2 included SuperHandy 48V2 ion batteries and the option to purchase additional batteries for even more travel distance. Upgrade your mobility with the SuperHandy 3-Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter today. Number 2. ELENKER Best Value Knee Walker. This medical scooter features 10-inch PVC front wheels and 8-inch PVC rear wheels, along with dual adjustable locking handbrakes and dual rear on-wheel brakes for optimal control and safety. The handlebars and knee pad are fully adjustable to ensure a comfortable fit, with handlebars ranging from 28.15 inches to 37.2 inches in height, and the knee pad ranging from 16.93 inches to 20.86 inches in height. Additionally, this product is FSA and HSA approved, making it eligible for reimbursement. Number 1. Zipr 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Experience unrivaled performance and unmatched portability with the Zipr 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Designed for comfort and convenience, this scooter can support up to 265 volts and travel up to 12 miles on a single charge. With its tight turning radius and maximum speed of 4.25 miles per hour, it offers great performance for indoor and outdoor use. Enjoy maximum comfort with a padded and supportive seat, easily adjustable chair height, and a swivel seat for easy accessibility. The scooter also provides ample storage space with a sturdy metal basket included. Thank you for watching our video on the 5 best mobility scooters of 2023. We hope you found this guide helpful in making an informed decision. If you're interested in purchasing any of the featured scooters, you can find the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews, and stay tuned for our upcoming content. Take care, stay mobile, and we'll see you next time on I Know Gadgets.